Every small manufacturer has the same problem. The owner is the bottleneck. Every customer call, every scheduling conflict, every production question, it all flows through one person. And that person is running out of hours in the day. Create a clear title and give more context with a subheadline. There are over 250,000 small manufacturers in the United States. 98% of them are small businesses. And big tech has ignored them completely. The AI tools built for Fortune 500 companies don't work for a 30-person injection mold shop or a family-run metal fabricator. These owners need something built for how they actually work. That's exactly what MFG Edge.ai built. An AI chief of staff designed specifically for small manufacturers. It connects to the systems you already use, your calendar, your CRM, your email, and handles the work that eats up your day. It manages your schedule, follows up with customers automatically, gives you a daily briefing every morning, and even works by voice from the shop floor. No typing required. Here's how it works in practice. A customer calls about a defect on an order. The owner hangs up, sends one voice message to the AI. Instantly, the case is logged. The engineer is notified. A follow-up task is created for tomorrow morning. The next day, the owner's daily briefing confirms it's been resolved. No email sent. No follow-up calls. The loop closed itself. MFG Edge.ai isn't a generic chatbot or an off-the-shelf tool. Every system is custom configured for the specific business. The AI learns the company's customers, products, and processes. And it's backed by a local team in Wisconsin. Real people who visit your facility and pick up the phone when you call. MFG Edge.ai is currently onboarding a limited number of founding clients at reduced rates. If you're a small manufacturer who's tired of being the bottleneck, visit mfgedge.ai to book a free 45-minute assessment. No obligation, no pitch, just a clear picture of what AI can do for your operation.